Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Arun Namdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today's recipe is a spicy chicken starter. You can bake this, you can pan fry this, or lace it on a skewer and literally barbecue this. This one is a spicy recipe and it's called Angara for a reason. This one can be called chicken Angara kebab, chicken Angara tikka, or murg Angara tikka. Let's begin. Now, tikka as a recipe, as an Indian starter, is generally marinated twice. There's a first marination and a second marination. Now, the first marination is for 2-3 reasons. The first one, of course, is that the flavor becomes nice and intense and goes right into the pieces of chicken. The second reason is that the tandooriya doesn't run all across the planet once he gets the order. And the third reason is that last minute marination generally does not work with recipes like tikkas or tandoor. So the first marination is very important. Now after the first marination, you can either keep it to rest for 15-20 minutes or half an hour, or keep it covered in a refrigerator. Choice is completely yours. Let's first begin with the first marination. For the first marination, very few ingredients. Let's begin with cloves of garlic, slices of ginger, and along with this, red chili flakes. Let's grind all this into a fine paste. The paste is done and ready. Let's add this first marination into boneless chicken thigh pieces and mix this well. No salt at this stage because we do not want the chicken to start releasing its moisture. Let's cover this and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. With this, let's move on to our second marination. Now, after the second marination is done, this can either be at room temperature if at all you wish to cook it immediately, or this goes straight in the refrigerator covered. Now, you can keep it for half an hour, you can keep it overnight. Choice is completely yours again. For the second marination, the first ingredient is mustard oil, followed by some spices. Let's begin with chaat masala, garam masala powder, gram flour or besan, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, hung curd, not too much of it, just like a tablespoon of it is more than enough, kasuri methi, and last but not the least, salt as required. Let's mix all of this well. And with this, your second marination is also done and ready. Let's start skewering each piece of chicken on top of this metal skewer. Now I have laced these tikkas on a tandoor because I primarily have metal skewers with me. Now in case you do not have this, you can cook this in 2-3 different ways. The first method is to pan fry this. Take a little oil, add all of this in the pan and cook it on high flame till 1, all the moisture evaporates, and 2, it starts getting that nice goldenish dark brown rim on the outside, which denotes that it's nicely charred, grilled as well as cooked at the same time. The second method is baking. All you need to do is brush an oven tray with oil, lay in all the pieces of chicken and cook this 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have the second method that is done. The third method is grilling, barbecuing, or cooking this on an open flame the way I choose to do today. Time to grill this on top of an open flame. You of course need to keep turning this time and again. With this, your Angara chicken tikka is done and ready, and this goes amazingly well with coriander, mint and dahi ki chutney. Do not forget to make that. Eat this as a starter, eat this as an accompaniment. Make the best out of chicken Angara tikka. And for more such recipes, stay tuned.